It's a thermo rad valve. It's on full up. Sometimes you find that it's not getting hot. If you've already checked the air valve and it's full up, and you check the other end of the radiator to make sure the lock shield is fully on with the pliers, then it could be this valve. I've got other videos on YouTube which show what to check if that's not the case, if it needs, your system needs balancing, or you've got other problems. You can check those videos out, but this one specifically is about the thermostatic rad valve and what can happen to them after a couple of years. Okay, there's your valve. Now this particular one is a screw-on one. There are some with black clips that you pull off and it releases the top as well, but if yours is a screw type like this, then you just unscrew it. I've already loosened it. You may need to put a pair of grips on there just to slacken it off, but if not, just unscrew it and you'll get it away like that. Now as you look at that, you can see, because it's full on, there's a pin there, okay, and it's because this one's working, it's fully up, but this pin, if you look at it, pushes down. Now if your valve is stuck, because it's an old one, is sludging there, or you've got no inhibitor, but something's happened to the valve and it's stuck, if you can get a pair of long nose pliers on it, then wiggle it and pull it up. If you can't, this is the trusty tool. Best thing to do is to tap that pin straight on the head like so, and it will pop back out again, and that will enable the radiator to work. If you're not cool about it and that you don't want to, hit the side of it like so until that pin jumps back out of the slot to there. Once it's pinged up to there, it will work again. I promise you, your rad will come back on. And if it doesn't, then you've got other problems which may be to do with balancing and so forth. I've got other YouTubes on there, videos to do with other problems to do with radiators, so you can check those out. Sometimes they're flush level and you can't get no long nose pliers on them. If that's the case, then you'll need the trusty hammer. And so you can try tapping it around the sides like that until it comes off. If it doesn't, and I personally don't bother, I just whack it straight on the head like so. But do be aware, if it keeps doing that, jamming, that you will need to replace the valve in the end. Okay, I've also got a video on YouTube about how to replace the valve as well, so we've covered all angles.